Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to duplicate the clips in DaVinci Resolve. Okay, so first thing, select the clip that you want to duplicate. There is two ways to duplicate the clips in DaVinci Resolve. First one is select the clip, right click and copy and go here, right, paste. This is the first way, okay? And the second way, it's select the clip that you want to duplicate it and hold on Alt, as you can see here. So I duplicate the clips on DaVinci Resolve. So I will try it again. Select the clip, hold Alt, and as you can see, so this is how to duplicate the clips in DaVinci Resolve. So if you like the video, subscribe, like, and comment below and tell me if this video really helped you or no. Thank you.